Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Faiza Dia ini Farah, peserta Leksam Bedas SR04 SMP Negeri 3 Margahayu. Kali ini saya akan membacakan storytelling berjudul Smartphone versus Best Friends. One day, Karima, Kiki, Putra, and Karin were playing together. Then, Karima invited them to spend a holiday at her grandparents' house in Subang. The next morning, they left for Subang at 6 a.m. When they arrived at Karima's grandparents' house, they found a gazebo, a fish pond, a fruit and vegetable garden. They planned to spend their time fishing, grilling fish, picking pineapples, bathing the buffalo in the river, and planting rice. The next day, they went to the rice field to plant rice. After they finished, they bathed the buffalo in the river. In the afternoon, they returned home. The following day, Grandpa invited them to join a fishing competition. The winner would receive a smartphone as a prize. It turned out that Karin won. Congrats, Karin. Grandpa will give it to you before you go home, okay? He said. After that, they picked pineapples in the backyard garden. At 7 p.m., they grilled fish together. An hour later, they went home. They stopped at Karima's house and stayed there for the night. The next morning, Putra, Kiki, and Karima asked Karin to play with them. However, Karin refused because she preferred to play with Dara and Rifan. Then Putra, Kiki, and Karima made a plan to get Karin back. It turned out that Rifan, Dara, and Karin had formed a group called Rafaka Gang. Kiki told Karima to go to Dara's house because since Karima grandpa who gave Karin a smartphone, they all had one too. When she arrived at Dara's house, they all played together. When Karima returned home, she saw a sedan and a truck parked beside her house. It turned out they had new neighbors. Their names were Samiha and her younger sister Talita. The next day, they played together. Samiha and her sister introduced themselves to the group. Samiha wanted to help them to get Karin back. The plan began. They played near the Rafaka gang group to get Karin's attention. Karin missed playing with Karima, Putra, and Kiki because in Rafaka gang, they only played on their smartphones. While they were playing, it suddenly started to rain. Dara and Rifan left Karin behind. Karima came over and gave her an umbrella. Finally, Karin wanted to play with them again and rejoined her old group. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.